Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
To keep lettuce fresh in the refrigerator, 1. Wash and dry the leaves thoroughly. 2. Store the leaves in a breathable container, like a perforated plastic bag or a container lined with paper towels. 3. Keep at the right temperature, ideally in the crisper drawer of your fridge. 4. Avoid excess moisture by changing the paper towels if they become damp. This process helps maintain freshness and crispness, ensuring your lettuce lasts longer.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.